Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. No? At ay nakarating kayo sa aming investiture ng Mr. Bert at saka sa aming awarding na Father Nery sa Awards. Sumamaya po dito sabihin ko sa inyo, simple ba si Father Nery sa Awards? Pero bago po na, nais ko po diyan muna kayo ng isang opening remarks. Distinguished guests, members of the press, student leaders and champion of the environment, welcome. Today, gathered not only to formally introduce the ways of leadership for the year's flashing ceremony, but to honor the legacy that will see them on the stage. We are here to celebrate the Father Nery Satur Awards for Excellent Leadership and Environmental Heroism, an accolade named for the man who courage in protecting our natural world remains in guiding light for us all. So this year's ceremony is particularly significant as we embark on the zero physical and e-digital recognition rights. In an era where the digital footprints are high impact on physical world, we are committing to celebrate and honor excellence without leaving waste. By prioritizing sustainability in both the physical and digital realms, we prove that the new leadership doesn't just command a room, it protects the future. So the ceremony is formally recognizing the commitment of our candidates, recalling the environment martyrdom of the bravery of Father Nery Satur, and the zero standard celebrating achievements to sustainable agriculture and nutrition model. So last, this presentation serves as a testament that the beauty, leadership, and heroism are most powerful when they are used to preserve the world in habit. So let lives begin. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the pillars na ginagamit namin dito sa Mr. Bert Philippines. Yung 3 pillars natin, yung SIPA. Ito po yung bago namin methods na ginagamit sa Mr. SIPA, C, balance, provoke, alignment, and transform. Other po ito ng science of arts, methodology. So, hindi ko nakita itatanong ako po isang guro. So, yung pag-teaching ko sa time yun ay ina-apply dito sa mga kabataan. So, kaya makapasin ang aming Mr. Earth, meron po silang training, meron po kung dinevelop na module na gagamitin po nila para sa kanilang advocacy. Yung essence of Earth Award or SIPA methodology, meron po tayong 3 pillars. S for the science, the foundation of truth, I for integration of lineage of ecoculture, A for performing arts, the voice of the soul. So para mas mabilis, madali ko natin maintindihan, yung S ko, kailangan natin gamitin ang ating mga paningin. Hindi po tayo makakapagkwento ng suliranin kung hindi natin nakikita. Kaya po yung C in balance. Next is provoke alignment. Ano po yung solusyon natin pwedeng gawin? Ano yung account po natin gawin? Ito po yung provoke alignment. And next is transform. Ano po gagawin namin dito sa mga ambassador po namin sa Mr. Earth? I-generate po namin sila at pakipag-i-active po sila sa mga social activities sa environment, clean up, clean planting, and mga environmental ensures. Bilang counter po, ito po yung mga unique innovation na ginawa ko. Ideas that transform Mr. Founders Missions Presidency, pageantry with purpose, community-driven actions. So ito po yun. Mas mapapabilis yung kanilang paggawa ng mga project kung gagamitin nila